Hello, my creative friends. I have something very special for you today. And while I'm sitting here hoping the electricity doesn't go out again, I thought I would try to record and see if I can get a whole video done. But I have something that I want to share and something I think everyone's going to like. I am in North Carolina, but so far so good. We've had the lights flicker a couple times, but other than that, so far so good. They say tonight is going to be the worst part because of all the rain that's going to keep coming all night and the winds. I have noticed a small leak in the ceiling that I'm going to have to get my landlady to take care of. This is one of those times you're thankful that you rent and don't own. But anyway, I have a Halloween kit that I have put together for everyone, for all my crafty friends, and I think you're really gonna like it. So let me show you what we got. Sorry. Ta-da! Whole bunch of goodies. I couldn't get everything in the frame, so I'm going to show you one by one what we have. The first thing that's going to come in this kit is a pack of Halloween shred. This is purple, black, and orange paper shred that you can use in your packages for your swaps and stuff. Also, you're going to get 5 yards each of the eyelash fun fur. You get green with the metallic. I might have to take it out of the bag so you can see it good. So there's no glare. You're going to get this lime green with the metallic in it. It's real shiny. And you're also going to get orange. Orange doesn't have any of the shining metallic or anything in it. It's just a bright Halloween orange. And then this black is kind of sparkly a little bit. It doesn't really have metallic in it, but it's got some shiny components in there. Also, you're going to get, now that was 5 yards each of each color of the eyelash trim. You're going to get 1 yard each of these 4 ribbons. It's the orange with black polka dots, the black with orange pumpkins, the black with different colored spiders, and the orange with black spider webs. You're going to get 1 yard each of all 4 of those. There is 5 yards each of this baker's twine. You have the orange, black, and white, and the orange and white. That's 5 yards each of that. You're going to get, this is a 12-inch long tube of a sequins mix that I made, and I don't know how well we're going to be able to see it. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But there are gold stars, purple, orange, black, green sequins with a little bit of glitter, chunky glitter in there. And also there are some black cats. There they are. They're kind of hard to see, but there's some black cats in there as well. You're going to get that tube of glitter mix. You're going to get a pack of bling. I really didn't have a pack with black and orange, so I got the closest thing I could find, and this would be good for fall or Halloween. It's got orange, 2 shades of green, and it's got a grayish silver looking, and then a brown and a kind of goldish tan color. Let's see if I can, that'll kind of give you an idea. It looks like green and yellow. It's kind of a, it is kind of a yellow. and then a green, and then a gray color. But anyway, that's the closest thing I had for a Halloween mix. You'll also get 1 pack of the felt stickers of 2 different kinds of pumpkins, ghosts, and bats. There's 16 count in there. You will get some things I had to divide up so there would be enough for all the kits. I've only got 3 of these kits, but each kit will have 2 of these. These are the sugar skulls, and there's 1 in gold and 1 in white glitter. I know you really can't see the glitter, but it's glitter paper. They're just die cuts of the, let's see if I can, probably not. But anyway, it's white glitter and gold foil, real thick cardstock. You'll get 1 of each of those. This is a wood die cut web. You'll get 1 of those. You will get 15 Halloween straws. There's orange and white stripe, black and white stripe. There's black with pumpkin faces, black and white chevron, black, orange, and white stripe. There's white with bats, black with stars, black with spiders, and orange with bats. And you'll get a pack of 15 of those. You will get a container of, I made this is a confetti mix that I made for Halloween with Halloween colors. You'll get this container of that. It might not come in that container depending on how it gets shipped. I'm going to try to keep it in there, but if the shipping costs too much to put all the containers in there, then I'll probably try to put them in bags. You'll also get 10 of the black 2.5 inch doilies. These are awesome to put behind your rosettes. They're perfect for that. These were actually purchased as coasters. They are real thick, but it is black glitter, really thick, and they're like 3 inches, I think. I don't have my ruler here with me. But I thought if anybody does the artist coin swap, these would be awesome for a Halloween one, or even if somebody wanted to do another theme with black in it, those would be perfect. Also, can't have Halloween without some googly eyes, so I've got a container here, a little container, with 32 googly eyes, I think, in different sizes. You're also going to get some Halloween stickers. I have the Jolie's dimensional witch hats with purple glitter and black glitter. This is a 7-piece set. Then you'll get Jolie's boutique 5-piece set of the bird cages with the ravens in it, different shaped bird cages. You'll get 1 pack of those. You'll also get 1 pack of the Jolie's boutique, I'll get it right here in a minute, southern accent coming through, 7-piece set of the Halloween tree with the ravens and the moon. And also you will get, this is a it's supposed to be pumpkin bling. It's the bling shapes that make a picture. It's a skull. You can use it on paper. You don't have to use it on a pumpkin, but you can use it on a pumpkin as well. I've been getting them, using them on my Halloween things. So that, you'll get that. And I made some rosettes. I made them, you can't really see them. Let me see if I can move them over here for a second. I made orange and black and stripe and green and purple. And I'm gonna send you 3 of each color of the rosettes already made, of the crepe paper rosettes, and you'll get a total of 15 because there's 3 of each color, and you're gonna get 15 of those. You're gonna get a pack of the little mini glass bottles with the corks, so you can make your little spells and glitter mixes and your swaps and stuff. There's 4 of these that are, here's the sizes here, let me see, 0.24, 0.34, 0.5, 0.68. This one's probably about, I would say maybe 3 inches. Hang on, I'll get a ruler. Because I'm not good at estimating sizes. Let's see. Oh, it's 2.5. 2.5 from the top of the bottle, not the cork. Top of the bottle to the bottom's 2.5. This one is 2.25. This one is right at 2, and this one is 1.5. So these are perfect for your sequins mixes or little things like that, and put a little label on the front with your potion. You're also going to get, I forget how many's in here. I think there's 16. These are glitter foam stickers. There's pumpkins. I didn't punch out the insides. There's 2 different kinds of ghosts. There's bats, spiders, Frankenstein, and 2 different skulls. There's a Frankenstein. There's the pumpkin. There's one of the ghosts. I don't know how the purple got on there. I guess they faded. There's bats, black cats, purple spiders, and there's a green skull and a white skull. But anyway, you get like 16 of those. This is Halloween ribbon that I purchased, and I paid $23 for a 5-yard roll, and I've been cutting it, using it as appliques, and I've cut 3 of the pumpkins off. You're gonna get this strip with 3 on it. You can use all 3 of them at once, or you can cut them apart and use them individually, however you want to do. They're it's not a felt. It kind of feels like felt, but it's not. But it's a real nice thick material that's on the back. You could actually probably use the back too, because it's sewn on the back just like the front. Might have to cut, I don't know, the leaves kind of look cool like that too, so you could probably use them as black pumpkins or orange pumpkins. They look pretty cool, but you're going to get that. You're going to get 5 of these little glassine bags. These are 6 by 5.5, or if you go all the way to the top, they're 7 by 5. I think it's 5.25. Yeah, 5.25. 7 by 5.25. You're gonna get 5 of these. You're also gonna get 12 of these little treat lunch bag type treat bags. I thought you could cut off some of the pictures and use it, or you could use the treat bags. You're gonna get 3 of each design. You're gonna get this witch. You're gonna get 3 of the Happy Halloween Haunted House. You're going to get 3 of the Happy Hauntings Pumpkin, which is that one. And you're going to get 3 of the purple boo with the ghost and the pumpkin. And on the back of this one, it's different. The rest of them are the same, but this one is different on the back. It's got a spider and some owls with trick or treat. And all the rest of them are the same on both sides. That was the only one that was different, but you could use the pictures off of them or use the bags themselves. I just thought they were cute. I have actually cut some of the pictures off and used them on cards and stuff. I also have a little plastic container here of just some odds and ends things that you're gonna get. You're gonna get 4 eyeballs, so you can roll away eyeball. I actually bought the eyeballs to make a book. I'm working on a book right now with the eyeball on it. I'm working on a tutorial as I do it, so that'll be up. So if you get this and you got the eyeballs, you can make a spooky book with me. You're going to get 4 eyeballs. You're going to get 6 of these spider rings that you can use to cut the ring part off and use on your projects. I seen somebody take these and make paper clips actually out of them. They have gems on them. They're green, red, and orange gems on the bottom of them. And Mandy over at Mandy's Place, her collaboration, one of the ladies, I forget which one, took these and glued them back to back and put them on paper clips for Halloween paper clips. I thought that was a good idea. But you're going to get 6 of those, 2 of each color. You're going to get 1 of these plastic Happy Halloweens. I don't have many of these left, but I'm going to give 1. These are like 4 3/4 long by 2 inches at the widest point. I think they're neat. I like to use them on cards and other things as an embellishment. They're plastic. It's supposed to be a cake topper. Also, I didn't have a lot of these, but I went ahead and I'm sticking 2. These are the skeleton hands. They're the real hard plastic. You're also going to get 2 of these. And that's the little doodad box that's got all the little odds and ends doodads in it. And there was one other thing I had. One other thing that I had a few of that I divided up. These are sugar skull felt pieces, and I just put 1 of each style in the kit as well. Okay, that is everything in the kit, and I am going to sell these. I only have 3, but I'm going to sell them for $25 plus shipping. If you are interested, it will be PayPal, friends and family only. If you send it and you don't send it friends and family, I'll have to send you back your money and refund it, because I'm an eBay seller and it's complicated. But I do need you to send it friends and family. PayPal only, United States only. Sorry, international people, I do not know how to do the international shipping yet. I am looking into it to try to familiarize myself with it, and hopefully soon. But that is everything that's going to be included in the kit. $25, PayPal, friends and family only, US only. If you're interested, my email address is down below. Thank you for watching. Please share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna have a giveaway, and I'm really getting some good stuff together for that as soon as I get 100 subscribers. So thank you for watching, and everyone have a crafty day. Thank you.